ओम श्रीमते रामानुजाय नमः। श्रीराम जयं कल्याणाद्भुतगात्राय कामितार्थप्रदायिने श्रीवेंकटनिवासाय श्रीनिवासाय ते नमः। Namaskar and welcome to Amara Bharata channel, where we now start a series called as Laghu Vyakarana Abhyasa Sudha, which is very specifically catered as a grammar refresher course in Samskrita for class 9 and 10 based on both the Shemushi and the Manika textbooks. Now, the meaning of this title: Vyakarana means grammar, Abhyasa means practice, Sudha means elixir or nectar, and Laghu means short or brief. This is a short experience of the elixir of Sanskrit grammar and exercises in Sanskrit grammar. So that is Laghu Vyakarana Abhyasa Sudha. Laghu Vyakarana Abhyasa Sudha. Before we embark on this wonderful journey of Sanskrit grammar, it is our duty to salute three great Sanskrit grammarians of our country, that is Bharata. One is Panini, who wrote the Ashtadhyayi in the form of sutras. Then Vararuchi, also known as Katyayana, who wrote a Vartika on this Ashtadhyayi. And then Patanjali, who wrote a Bhashya called as the Mahabhashya. All the three are great grammar books, the foremost being that of Panini. Vakyakaram Vararuchim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim Paninim Sutrakarancha Pranatosmi Munitrayam. So we pray to all these three great grammarians of our country to make our journey through Sanskrit grammar smooth and without any obstacles, so that we understand all the concepts of Sanskrit grammar properly and correctly. So the topics we are going to see in this Laghu Vyakarana Abhyasa Sudha are like this. For class 9 they are Uchcharana Sthanani, Sandhayah, Sandhis, Shabdarupani, that is Vibhakti Rupas, Dhatu Rupani, that is the verb forms, then Karakam, then Pratyaya Prayoga, Avyayani, and Sankhya. For the class 10, they are again Sandhis, Samasa, Pratyaya, the Krit Pratyaya, also called Kridanta, the Dita Pratyayas, and Stri Pratyayas, Vachya Parivartanam, which is change of voice, Samayaha, which is time, Avyayani, and Ashuddhi Samshodhanam, means correcting the grammatical errors in sentences. I hope all of you enjoy this journey of Sanskrit grammar by means of this Laghu Vyakarana Abhyasa Sudha series. Shubham Bhuyat, Mangalamastu, Vande Mataram, Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu.